I walk an awful lot, and it's always something I've enjoyed doing. And I'd heard about Tiger Bay Ramblers for quite a while, but never actually got round to joining, and I regret that I didn't join 10 years ago when they first were about. In the last year I've seen much more of Wales than I'd seen for the previous 14 years of living here. There's lots of like-minded people and who just go out and about and do things I enjoy doing, and it's a great group of friends to do that with. They are the type of people who just want to get up and do things and get on with life.
I was actually quite nervous about joining, but the walk leaders were all very good about assuring me that we go at the pace of the slowest person, so I just felt welcome from the beginning. I joined because I haven't lived down here very long, so it's a good way of meeting people that have similar interests, and I do like to walk. I want to see more of the world, you know, and you get to see places that maybe other people don't know even exist, like Little Garth Hill that we've done today.
The thing about a group like this is that there's so much around here to do, so many good walks, but by yourself it's not going to happen. The Garth was something I could see from my classrooms when I was in school. I thought I'll go up there the next school holidays, you know, but it didn't happen. It wasn't until like 20 years later that I joined this group that I actually started going up with it.
I really enjoy walking, and I find it quite difficult to know where to walk, or, you know, one that's safe to walk on my own. When you're in an office all week, it's nice to get out and a bit of fresh air and have a bit of gossip.
I'm originally from Japan, but I came to Wales to study, and I found it a bit difficult to meet with new people locally. And then a friend of mine found the Tiger Bay Ramblers, and then she suggested me to come along. And then from the very first day, I found everyone was very friendly, so no hesitation, I became a member straight away.
You can either just join the walks and follow the leader and go to new places that you've never seen before. As you grow more confident, you can lead your own walk. And every now and again the group puts on navigation courses, so if you're not confident in navigation, you can learn how to navigate and do your own walk and then lead a walk.
The more you get involved with the group, the more the social side grows, because you get more friends and you get invited to sort of birthday meals and people's leaving do and social events. So there's always something on. Since I joined the Ramblers, I've had to buy a diary to keep a track of my social life, because I'm busy every single day with something.
Walking in general is just an incredibly accessible sport. It's like the best free activity you're ever going to do, I reckon.